all Robux. I'm giving you all Robux. I'm giving you all Robux. I'm giving you all Robux. What you want to make you? Let me give you Robux. Yes, boy. Let you give. I cannot give you 10 million. I have to. I have too much. You have too much Robux now. I'm giving you all my Robux. I'm giving you all my Robux. Wait a minute, giving somebody. I have too much Robux. I'm gonna give you all Robux. My Robux. Because Robux. Now I have only 20. Now I got kicked out. Robux. Give me my Robux. Get my cup. Oh my god, bro. My feet look like boiled. Ow! Help me, I already jump on him. I'm gonna give you all my Robux. I got kicked out again. Now let me join you. Please not kick out me again. Oh my god, bro. Wow, too much Robux. Giving you 10,000 Robux. Bro. Let me draw something here. Give me all of my Robux. Give me my Robux. Now about that one. Give me my Robux. Oh, you're giving me all Robux. I will do it here too. What? This one is not enough yet. I think that one is a big game. Giving you my Robux. My Robux. I'm giving you all my Robux, but I have 2 Robux left. I have 2 Robux left. I'm sorry I don't have any Robux left. Oh, that's right. I need to go back to... I can see it. my Robux have 2,000 left. Now, where's my 2,000? No. I need to give you all this. Robux. Ayaw ko na. Because I have 2 money left. 2 money left. Okay, no, sorry about it. Let me come back a little bit. Oh, there's 10 more Robux. Now I have 1 more Robux. Yeah. Oh, almost the ramp. Oh my god, 10,000 Robux. Okay, to give you 10,000 Robux. Oh my god. 23,000. You want to donate me? I'm gonna donate you also. And maybe here? Yeah, maybe that's it. No. How do you play that one? I want to play. Yes, now. 5 million. 3 million. Now to what? I'm sorry, guys. I have to donate you. This is now you just also need to be more. Now just check the Robux after you want that. I'm gonna give you 10,000 Robux. Because you don't see. A little bit good. 2,000. You wanna donate me? Oh, I'm gonna donate you. And finish 5,000. Now to giving you $1,000,000. No. Because my Robux is fine or safe. I could get this car. What is this skin? What is this skin? What is this skin too? Wait to me, what is that? Fortune is actually spend that many Robux. Oh, I know that now. Why that one is also same? Look at this. That one was the same one. Now it looks like the same one. Los Salaladitos. Wait, Tommy. Oh, wait. Oh, what is this? Is up also this skin? Is up also this skin? Is up also this skin? Oh, is up also this one, this one. That one is 8 million, that's easy. But I gotta get my... What? That one is... Katas, but I cannot get Sky is like... Ito what YouTube again. Because my Robux is gonna... Because of 2 Robux. What? All 10? What's also this? Because we got subscribe. Now it's add, let me come back. Okay, I'm back, boys. Ladies. Then ladies. Then boys.
Secondly, wait! Don't even think about it! Stop! You know what? You're in prison. How do you feel? Bro never learns. Never. You come here often? Oh wait, you do? Cause you've been here 3 times! Listen, one of these days, bro's gonna respond to me, and I'm gonna be so happy. I'm gonna cry tears of joy. You know what? I agree with that. That is the most profound, inspirational, life-changing quote I've ever heard in my life. And for that, you can take my Coco Fanto Elefanto. Take it. Alright? You deserve it. That was literally life-altering. Take it. You have earned it. Okay. Alright! You have not! Stop! You have not earned it! But you have. Bro, he wants to lock himself in the pain. Bruh, stay! Can't believe it. He's like, my dreams could... Not you! You can take it! What happened? Bro, what happened? Why aren't you taking it? I don't think he knows how. No! Not you! No! Stop! Bro is trying his best. Alright? He just gave up. Okay, whatever, man. Fine. Whatever. I tried, alright? I think it's time for some disguise. Well, that didn't work. Listen, man, I tried. Come on. I'm just a brain riot. I'm chill, okay? I'm chill like that. Look at me. Do I not look chill? Come on. I just wanna be one of these. I don't wanna steal anything. Look, I'm friendly. Thank you. He accepts me. Kind of, maybe. I don't think he does. I don't know if he does. I think he's confused. He's definitely confused. Come on! Fine! What is that, bruh? I've never seen that one before. I want it. I kind of really want it, but I also kind of really don't want to get that. No, I'm out of Robux! No! Open your stomach! Open it! No, nobody take it. No, literally, don't, no. Stop! Open the box! Open it! Open it! No! Gins! You protected me! You protected my face! What a legend. This is the man. This is literally... Whoever's trying to... Stop. If you're not Geds, you're not having it. Alright? You're not having it, Geds. Take it. You deserve it. Okay, you really... You know what? I'll give you time to figure it out. Bro does not know how to do it. The controls are not that hard. I believe in you. Please. Why is bro levitating? Stop. No, not you again. You know what? If kids can't have it, nobody can. Yes, I want that one. It's literally a lava orangutan. Okay, I don't have Robux. This sucks, but that's okay. I can wait. I don't need Robux for everything. Yes, I do. I'm gonna go buy some Robux. Robux acquired. As I was saying, I want that one. Okay, and I got a plan. Not a really strong plan because I'm pretty sure he knows that I'm not really a brain rot, but that's okay. Okay, let's lock. I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. Hello, baby! Yeah, you're gonna be saying that to your brain rot in about 5 seconds. Or 41 seconds? Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna wait for it to leave. And then I'm gonna... Oh, he sold one. That's perfect. That's a spot just for me. And that... Don't try anything, buddy. Stop. Shh. This is a secret. Canu! I don't know what that means, but no! Okay. 18 seconds. I'll be back. How long do I have before I'm gonna get robbed? Stop. 15 seconds. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna lock it. You're gonna give up my cover! Lock! No, leave. Okay. Lock! Alright, I'm ready. I'm so ready for this. I am so ready for this. Okay, are they still in the base? You know what? Whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna unlock it, but I'm gonna hide, and then I'm gonna go right there. They're not gonna realize. Yeah! Okay. They're gonna come and they're gonna be like, what? Why? Who's in my base? And they're gonna think it's this guy. Bruh, you stealing your stuff, or you... what do you do? You know why? This is perfect. Don't mind if I do, finally. Bruh. No, I don't even have rope! Whatever. I'm not here to steal. I'm on the wrong block. I'm literally an idiot. I gave up my cover. Okay, whatever. I'll do the walk of shame. No! Man, I gotta spend more Robux. Dude, come on. I know I'm stupid. Okay, don't punish me more, please. Please, I need to go and give up something. Why did I not do that before that? Oh, it's so stupid. That was perfect. Whatever. It doesn't matter. What do I sell? This thing. Everything else can stay. Alright, back to business. Now I gotta try it on someone else. Excuse me, I see you guys. You're not slick, especially not you. I see you behind. Hey, where'd he go? Bruh, did he go invisible or what? It's not gonna work. It's really not gonna work. You know that. I'm a professional now. Okay? Stop. Think about what you've done. Okay, you are currently getting beaten up by this thing. That's gotta suck. Okay, this is his POV. Yikes! What? Bro said TikTok? So he's probably trying to say something. Listen, I don't know what you're saying.
Switch to relax mode. Try.
Alright, so murder mystery 2. It's kinda hard, but one of it's gonna have to be. So if you didn't know, you can actually become objects in Roblox. Like this, the bush, the box, the fridge. All great disguises in Murder Mystery 2. But what if I told you I was gonna take it a step further and be dead before I even die? Okay, so there's this package called Crab Walk, and it has you laying like a crab. I don't know how this got approved, but it's useful. And then I found this very sided head, which makes your head like tilt to the side, and that looks even more real. And the only thing is, I don't have a face, but that's okay. That doesn't matter, right? I don't think the murderer is gonna notice if I don't got a face. I'm literally lying backwards. This is gonna work. Okay, I gotta hide. I have to hide. If anyone sees me, my cover is blown. No, stop. Don't look at me. Don't. Stop. Okay, I'm innocent. That's right. I'll just camp here for a second, okay? I'm already dead. No! You did not say. Don't. Please, I swear, this is murder. Don't say it. What are you looking at? Stop. That was literally the one thing that was not meant to happen. Okay, whatever. That doesn't matter. What are the chances the only person that sees me is the murderer? Look at me. I'm dead. Okay. I gotta hide somewhere, alright? I gotta pick a good spot where it looks like I'm dead. Like, yes, this is perfect. I wonder if this will work. I look like that NPC there. See, nobody notices a thing. I don't think that's the murderer. Wait, one of these guys. Is that the murderer? That's the murderer. Is it? Why are you hiding like that? That's the murderer! That's the murderer! He didn't know it was me! He didn't know I was alive! If he kills the sheriff, I'm gonna go get the gun. And then... Never mind. Okay. I gotta hide. Nobody can see me. This looks so stupid. Alright. Luckily, the map is kind of weird right now. I think this is like the summer map or something, but nobody's gonna notice me, okay? I'm literally in my natural habitat as a crab, using the crab body. Alright? Starting! Sheriff! That's perfect! Okay, literally, this is, yes. Alright. So what I gotta do, I'm already here. Yes! Okay, this is literally perfect. Look at that. That looks so real. I look like I'm actually dead. Okay, I'm not the sheriff, so if I see the murderer, I'm dead already. See? He doesn't know! He thinks I'm actually dead! Okay, wait, he's hiding, so he's probably innocent. If I see the murderer, this is gonna be so good. Alright, that's okay. What are you doing? You know you're not hiding too well, right? I just heard the murderer. Okay, I heard it. So I just need him to come in here, and then he will not suspect a thing. He's gonna walk straight past me, and then... Alright! Howdy! No! Ha! What just happened? Did I just... was he hacking? What was that? How are you going so fast? And how did I just do that so fast? Yeah, I guess I'm a pro. Hello. Were you hacking or not? No, it's a glitch. What? Murder! What are you... Okay, whatever. That's okay. I gotta hide somewhere. What do I do? Okay, you know what? This isn't too bad. I did not expect to be the murderer, so I didn't really plan this far ahead, but that's the sheriff. I see the sheriff. Okay, I really hope he doesn't realize I'm the murderer. You know what? This is the perfect opportunity for me to sneak around and kill people and pretend that I'm dead. Why are you shooting? Nobody's dead yet. Okay, whatever. That's right. Okay, come on. Nobody's here. And if I see anyone, I have to just stop completely, or they're gonna know what I'm doing. Or I can just kill them. I mean, that works too. If I do that, this looks so terrifying. Okay, there's a lot of people down there. And the sheriff. What am I gonna do about him? I need to eliminate him. Why would you do that? Okay. What is that? Firstly, what's going on? I'm sorry, guys. Look, but you're asking for it. I'm sorry. Okay. That's the knife. This is perfect. I can camp, but like it's camping on purpose because I'm dead. Wait. Let me get a position. This works so well because there's already 2 dead bodies. This is great. Okay, now we just wait for someone to try and come and get this. And if nobody tries to get it, then I'm just gonna go and kill some people because I've only got a minute and I do not want to waste this opportunity. They had no idea. They thought I was dead. Okay. Nope. I don't think so. Okay, that worked. That was cool. Nope, I don't think so. Yeah, this is cool. This is perfect because if I look dead next to someone I just killed, it looks perfectly natural. Like I would have died too. That was the trick, bro. Come on, you're not very good at pretending to be dead. I don't care if you're actually dead. Why would you just take a seat? Don't do that. Alright, this guy. No! He saw me! I don't know if he saw me though. Wait, he's not coming down. Did he not see me move? Why is he not coming back down? Okay, I gotta watch out for that guy, because that is definitely the sheriff now. What if I just stay here? Maybe he didn't see me move my knife. I'm pretty sure he did though. Okay, wait, he knows. No, he knows. He definitely knows. Alright, I gotta prepare. No! How am I gonna do this? No! Mama! No! He got me! I messed up! Wait, what do I actually look like? Okay, I look double dead now. This is embarrassing. No, don't look at me like that. That worked! Kinda! Alright, do survey. Yo, this is so much more fun than playing normally. I really hope they don't ban this. Okay, I'm innocent. That's okay. Oh, you did not see me. Do not do it. You didn't see anything. Okay, what if that's the murder? Okay, you know what? This spot sucks. I'm gonna go hide somewhere else. Yo, this map is hard. This map sucks. It's kind of hard to pick a spot. Okay, that kind of looks natural. Yeah, I look like I just found. Hey, no! Wait, is that the murder? The mosquito? I don't know if that's the murder, but if it was and he didn't kill me, that's a success. Yo, this spot sucks. Seriously, how? What do you even do? I got a question. How do you wipe? What? Don't? What are you looking at? Wait. She doesn't know! Wait, but I'm kind of moving! I gotta take that off! Wait, that's okay. As long as nobody sees me when I look around as a dead body. That was really stupid. You know what? I think that is the murder. Why are you lying like that? Bruh, can one of those girls be the murderer, please? Oh, sorry. One of those girls are men. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. What are you looking at? What? Stop. What are you looking at? Get off me! What are you doing? Why are people doing that? Why are they just coming and standing on me? Oh, it's the murderer! No! Okay, and why did it take her 2 attempts? That's what confuses me, okay? How did you miss the first time? I was right in front of you. Why didn't it work? Is it because of my animation package? Did they see me in the lobby? I feel like I gotta do something about it. I gotta see if there's like a less movie animation. Is there like an idle pose that doesn't move at all? I don't know. Is this stylish? Can I do stylish? Do poses even work with this? Wait, I think stylish doesn't move, right? I don't know. Which one moves the least? It's gotta be robot. Okay, it's gotta be robot. Alright, I'm gonna try robot. Yes! Okay, I'm sheriff again. I've been really lucky lately. Alright, I just gotta pick a good spot where I can see everything, but also up here that, and this is it. This is definitely it, yes. Ah! Is it her? I think it's her! Okay, wait. So if I gotta be careful, okay? If I see the actual murderer, just question it. No! Ah! Why did you do that? I didn't even do that! Okay, she knows. This is bad. This is real bad. I wonder if she's actually the murderer. I hope not. Or I'm dead. Come on. Okay, they know the sheriff is out there, but they don't know it's me. I think. I gotta reposition. This sucks. Come on. Okay, I'm good. I still look dead. That's alright. Where is everyone? Maybe I should go and try to find the dead body. That way I can just lay next to it and pretend that I am one of them, you know? Because this is working, but it's boring. No! I didn't pay attention! I saw her. Okay, listen, I saw her nails and I thought there's no way. How would she even hold a knife? Okay, how's that? It's not even possible. If you have nails that long. Wait, it's because I was moving like this. I'm an idiot. No wonder she killed me. Okay, I gotta change that quickly. I gotta not have that animation package. That was a horrible idea. I don't know why I did that. Why I gotta be the sheriff? Wait, it's working. It barely moves. No, I got the stupid one. Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. I can do this. I can still do this. I'm the sheriff. It doesn't matter. Look, I'm dead already. Don't look at me. I'm already dead. Okay. Don't lie. Stop. Are you the murderer? You're the murderer, aren't you? Don't do it. I'm already dead. I'm gonna shoot you. I don't even care if you're the murderer. Stop! You're gonna blow my cover. Ah! Come on. Don't do it. Wait, why are you guys looking at me like that? Okay, is it because of my hand moving like that? It's not my fault. Come on. I didn't mean to do this package. Please. I changed it. Stop. What? If you're the murderer and you've just been mocking me this whole time, can you stop stepping on my head, please? You know what? I'm gonna go find the murderer. I don't care. I'm gonna just find him. Wait, is that a dead person? That's a dead person. Let me just. Oh, it's one of you guys. Oh. No! Wait, is it you? Why are they on fire? Doesn't that mean it's you? No! Die! Okay, that did not work, but I still won, so I count that as a success. It's got me that in the icon. Okay, no, I need to check properly for the right package to use. Sheriff! Okay, that's my chest. I cannot mess this up. Here. Yeah, that looks kind of comfortable. And then, murder comes by. Now we wait for someone to take the bait. Okay. I can hear it. I heard the murderer, but I cannot see him. Who is it? It's him! Okay, I know who it is. This is good. This is perfect. That means I can hide now, and I don't gotta worry about being killed. I know who it is. Alright, I'm gonna hide right here in my favorite spot.
Hindi ko alam saan.
That's him. That's him. Is he gonna think I'm dead? No, he doesn't think I'm dead. What are you doing? No. No. What? I did it. I did it. It worked. No. Let me just walk over your body with my dead body. Yes. Stop. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. I need to hide. Wait, okay, why can I not fit under there? Is Roblox calling me fat? And I've been trying to figure out if I can, like, get my back. It's kind of hard for me to, like, lean on stuff because my arms are kind of still holding me up. But, if I can get my back perfectly aligned, it, like, stays on the edge and then it looks really realistic. See? Like that! Because my arms aren't holding me up. This is perfect. I need to find a spot in the map that looks like this. That is it. Okay, good. Now, I should probably... Okay, now, I gotta find a good spot. This is already kind of a good spot. I did not know this was a map, but that's okay. I'm gonna go out in the open, but... Ah! Okay. People cannot see me. Whoa, hi guys. Hear that do? Alright, yes, there's a table. Okay, this is perfect. Alright, I just gotta quickly do it before anybody comes in. Come on! Wait, okay, you know, that kind of looks like I'm dead. I mean, that kind of works, but no, I want to be on the... Come on! Ah! Ah! Please. I moved when he was in the room! Why didn't I just stay still? I'm an idiot! I keep messing myself up. Okay, excuse me. How do you still have the gun? Please don't hurt me. How do you still...
Turuan niyo na lang ako ang nagagawa. Ayaw nagagawa.
Ayaw mo kaya?
Ano naman? Bakit mo kakaya? Turuan niyo sa akin ano ito niya ang gagawa.
Ayaw tatlo lang?
Oo. Yan ang bukas nila habang makamit ko na meron ka, sige, papuntayin mo. Bakit magkano ba kailangan sa pangilo?
Hindi. Kinama ko lang kung may extra tayo.
Lagi naman.
Bro.
Wala pa nga sa pijat.
Ano, bro?
Kasi kaya naman, meron naman dati kayo, di ba? Kaya nakasama na nakagaling.
Welcome. No. It's only. Like, I can show how to do this. Look, I need to put that one. I can't hit a flip or like this. Something else. You need to sleep up to not coming. That is not coming out. I need to drink water. Oh, I see it. It's like this. Sana wala akong internet. Pwede mo akong bigay. Does it sound now? Go here. And go there. Please, bro. Please. Please, bro. What? 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 What?
Wala na rin siyang masuot na uniform.
Why this game is so... Oh, now can play now.
Bakit?
If is still 100%. What am I gonna want to spawn? Oh, wow.
Yes? Lahat ang problema. Papel.
Wow, I'm the sniper. No, boom. Now, there.
No way.
Wait a minute, let me find something.
No.
Why is not letting me move? Wait, let me find
O sige,
something.
tanong mo nga, te. Ba, gusto mo mag-extra bukas, be? Magbabayad ka lang din ng document. Tsaka ano?
Dalawa daw, guys.
Dalawa? May kasama be?
Pwede na ba siyang pumunta?
Sige.
Now let me go here now.
Oo. Dito sa Moonwalk.
No, don't cut.
I-search mo Isabel Gardens, tapos pwede mo kayo i-build sa akin.
Don't jump in my head.
Kung pwede kayo ngayon, be, magbabay kayo sa sarap.
Okay, I'm gonna bring somebody to you. What is it? Who you want? What is somebody else? Malagis na cemetery. Hey, you kill
Yung
me.
project namin eh.
Bro. Work for my minions.
Tomorrow na lang. Kayo. Bukas na lang. O ngayon.
Making it big.
Ako yun. Bukas. Bukas.
I'm alone. Yeah.
Hanggang sa matapos kami.
Oh, no, my meeting so long.
Tuloy mo na yung kaibigan ko.
Nalala me
Ano?
do
8 o'clock. Ay, 7 pala, 7.
Sangit ka mo, bawas yung sweldo.
Sige na, be. Ay.
Looking like what is this? Oh, not a Terry. I need to use something else. I'm a pro with this. Now let me get my drone.
I just knew it was gonna be one of those days. Watch out!
Don't take a bro.
I need a horse, hoof and all.
Oh, what's a CPD toilet here? Let me country with him. No,
I could eat a horse, hoof and all.
now put it here. No.
I need a horse.
Hey, let me spawn some CPD. Okay, CPD toilet. What is this? Just this.
I can't remember the last time I had. Well,
Goodbye, CPD toilet. I need to play this alone. Goodbye. Now goodbye. You're in the air now.
it's gonna be one of those days.
Thank you, bro.
Someday. It's a long
Goodbye. Okay, nobody else is here. Hey. Oh, dinosaur. Oh, look at that dinosaur. Goodbye, dinosaur. We need to put. Goodbye, dinosaur. But you did. We'll have to bury you. I need to bury you, dinosaur. But there's so many boys. Now there's a dinosaur can fly now. Because the dinosaur want to fly. What is yeah. Look, it look like a wooden neck. Wait a minute. Shoot him in the face, bro. Oh, look at this dinosaur. Let me spawn so many of them. What's one more is? Oh, there is. A dinosaur is here. A dinosaur.
shit. Ay, shit. Nasaan ang tulog sa...
Get out!
Wait lang.
Wait a minute, bro.
Wala na sa...
Now I need to bury you. Because look at your feet, it's dirty. Now you need to fly away. Now let me... Oh, yeah, I think it's flying now. Let me put one more here. Oh, bro. Now, let me put so many here. Because, bro. Now this one is flying now. Now I need one more here. Now it's a head one. Ew. What is this? Let me take this. Get off the this. Let me broke the teeth a little bit. Where can I broke your teeth? Bro. Look at that done before. Oh, I'm going to heart. Hey. Now your hand is flying around. Now that one is flying around. Now rest in peace. Now let me put one more here too much. Oh, I'm forgot of that thing. Let me pop one here. That thing can't even work. Now let me put something. Out there, I don't know what's up. What is there? Ano ka doon? Aw. Shark is this funny here. Hey, nigga na doon. Nigga na doon. You auto here. Nigga, don't you need to auto here. Because you're not here. Let me snipe this. Now you have all things. Enough! You dinosaur. I need to bury you all. Yes, no there. Oh, Shroom is flying. Well, don't forget out that one. Now I'm done. Now this one now. Why not to play this one?
Oh, thanks.
Now this one is flying. Let me do this one now. Now this one is flying too. Now let me do this one.
Basta mamaya ako,
Now this one now is done.
alarm ka ng cellphone.
Now let me put them now. Let that nigga na doon. One more piece is here. Now Senegadon is done. Goodbye, Negadon. Mommy, look at my doing that.
Wow,
With the
that's
Negadon. Mommy, how about you that dinosaur?
Oo, unahin na natin.
Wait a minute. Ano may gonna do now? Yeah. Now put so many here. Now put here. Now here. Now that dinosaur can fly. Now put that here. That one can fly now. Then that one, then that one, then that one. Oh yeah, look at about this. I need a berry of flying now. Now look at this teeth. Now, oh, what about this? Now let me put one more now. Now I can fly. Goodbye. I don't know about same fly. Oh, stuff there's flying now. No. I'm lagging my game. My dinosaur is flying in the moon. Nice dinosaur stuff. Now you, Negadon, I don't like you now. Now put one more now. Now we're gonna let you go in the what? In the what? Wait a minute. Okay, put my also myself. Oh, what wrong? There it is. Ow. Goodbye, bro. Goodbye. I sorry I'm flying you. Then put Sonic my ace of my parents. Now put myself. Now somebody else. Yeah. Now that giant. Oh my! Oh my god, bro! I'm glitching out now. Put me in the moon. I'm gonna put all this in the moon. Sorry, Bug Night, everything is going to the moon. Goodbye. Hey, get out there. No, two left. No, three. No, you can fly away now. Also, your head. Also, my head. Wait a minute, let me get my sniper. No. Wait a minute, now you have. One more time is flying around. Oh, sorry. I need to kill you all. My favorite thing. I'll make it on purpose. Hey, what happened? I'm making myself make a moon. Oh, that out of me. Hey, look at the dinosaur. Here, but I need to snipe this. Oh, sorry. I need to snipe this. Yeah. Yeah. Get out of me. Get out. Yeah. Yeah. Get out. I'm not gonna kill you. Look at this dinosaur. Now they're in the dinosaur.
Si Jeffrey, saka si Magana. Yung dito, kasi Jeffrey.
Now let that out of me. Whoa, I don't see the dinosaur. Oh, it's like below me. Get out of me. Oh, let me pop the balloon. Right, of course. Please let go, balloon. Oh my God, bro. Now too much balloon. Now let me. Now get out of me, balloon. Okay, let me reset the color. You died in the moon. Oh my God. Also, Sonic got the done. Doing perfect. Put more in here. Put more here. Put here, one more here. Now one more here. Maybe we need to put one more here. Now one more here. Now one more here. Look at this little baby. Now flying. It's a flying little bum ash. Now finally. Another one. Can we go down? Okay, I'm gonna place Lego down here. Okay. Let me play something cool. Now I'm diving under. I saw a rocket runs terrible. Hurry up, boys! Hurry up! Hurry up! Now he got affected. Now he got affected. No.
Kung ilang copies yung kailangan i-xerox per project ay kung bahala ka. Tapos, send ka ng video kung paano, kung bawat machine. Kasi pwede akong pumunta dyan as early as 6:30 dahil busy na ako. Gagawin namin pag-xerox. Send mo yung video kung paano gagawin yung xerox para kung magkama yung dalawang news. Make sure pala yung document para hindi tayo ulit-ulit na trabaho kasi kaya na yung
Like this now.
Okay naman, nakakilala ka naman.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Now I want to go back. Wait, here. I don't want to go around. There's no one. Buddy. Hero, guys. Look at this, I got kill him. This one, I'll play the one. No, with your eyes. Something else. And put your eyes. Something else. Because put your mouth on my face. Because your mouth is still opening. Here's the did we get that one? No, let me put everyone. This is ugly. Who is gonna do that? I'm in the sky. Not gonna do that. Something else just awesome. Also, this is bro. Down was broken. Why your eyes look like? What happened there, boy? Now he's back. Look at him. I never done fun. Oh, that is easy. Let's have a hole. Oh, the block. Oh, look like the first open your mouth. Boom. Now let's see. I don't open it. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, sorry, guys. I don't know what we gonna spawn. You got your spawn. No, that is you of the week. That is you of the week. Just flying around. Now the robot is flying now. Now it's flying around now. It's flying around now. Wait.
Dito, siyempre. Mga validata ng ano, ito. Ayan, nakalagay ko ang mga trabaho nila. Dito kay homeworld, ayan. Ito, dami ko.
Now let me spawn. Oh, gonna spawn myself. Look,
O, di kaya ano, sila galing. Parang di ko makonsumin. pumili ka na lang dyan. Ilan ba yung gagawin natin?
Oh my god, 0 point. Okay, go 0 point.
Ito, si Trice, oh.
Oh my god. What? Into go 0? Okay. Wait, you bloody blue? Oh no. Okay, the guys is oh, that one is bro. That one is rolling about. Okay, he's just standing there now. Anyway, right. 1, 2. Now let's go fly. Oh, panda. Katulad na click dito. Kasi let me go with this
Trice.
hello, Paco. Hello. Para sa standing there. Oh, that is goodbye, everybody.